Yo, what's up, everyone? Crypto Wall here. So today, let's talk about two super easy indicators to spot that can make you some immense gains in the crypto ecosystem. So let's talk about the Fantom chart today, and let's look at the 2-hour time frame. And we will be using a method called the cup and handle TA. With the cup and handle, your best friend would be the horizontal trend line. To get the horizontal trend line, you go to the left side and you click the horizontal line and place it on the chart. What validates a cup and handle is when 3 points of the cup and handle all touch on the resistance. So a good point to look over here is right there. As you can see, a point here is your cup over there and down your handle, and that would be your cup and handle. Let's make that better for you. Cup, down, and your handle. This is your massive resistance. Now, once our cup and handle has been validated, we want to make a profit from this play. How you do that is your best friend, the trend line. From the top of this horizontal line to the bottom of this cup, that would be the distance of your next peak. And now you will want to take this and go to the breakout. This play would be for longer term holding. It wouldn't be a massive play, but if you want to play a massive play, as you can see over here, we did play it out pretty nicely. You could have played this out in 10 days and made about a 35% profit, which is awesome, pretty amazing. The second play we want to be looking at, right, is I chose this chart because I found something interesting. Most people don't know how to utilize their long position measurement. So this thing over here helps you with your long position trading. How you utilize this in a zone over here, though it goes up, but it comes down. How do you stay in the cycle, and how do you know you won't get stopped out? Scenario A would be you place this on the line, you place the stop loss just right underneath the line, and you play your graph up 4.63 to 1 ratio, right? That's a pretty healthy play. But now today you experience that the market goes down, goes up, but it's hitting and it's crashing. And let's say your stop loss was here and you got stopped out, right? That's perfectly okay. There is another entry within this that you can play through. But what I do want to say is with these type of plays where you do see a really strong cup handle coming through here, you do want to put your stop loss underneath the cup right here and go in for that 3%. That's a super healthy trade. Even if it was a 2%, it is still a pretty healthy trade to get into pretty strong cup and handle. But what I wanted to say was, let's say you got stopped out. To get back into this market, you need to notice that this is a falling wedge, and that is a bullish sign in the market. And to get this measurement and trade this is you want to take the top of that, come down to the bottom, and that would be the distance of your trade. And as you can see, that would have worked out pretty well for you, and you would have gotten in this position instead. And that is actually a better position to get in around over here than you would have over here. But essentially, let's play this first. You would have put your position to go in here. You would have played it out to this line, and you would have taken your stop loss and put it right there. That would have been a 3-to-1 ratio. Extremely healthy trade, extremely great profits from this position, right? You would have played this, but essentially that would have been the same if you did your long position and you were here and you put it here and you wrote this. You could have did a double trade, so you could have DCA'd in, had a longer stop loss, and played, well, all these ads. So you could have gone in at this position, played this out. If it came down, you would have added a position at this play, put your stop loss down, traded this up and added your position over here, right? You would added your position over here and let both of these right up, and then you would have let this right up once it's hit its target mark. That would have been the trade. Now, the second thing I wanted to talk about is the falling wedge or the falling pendant, which is that bullish sign I was talking about, and how we can utilize this on bigger time frames to get bigger gains. Right here, we have a prime example of a Tantino, and that falling wedge is a perfect bullish sign with little momentum coming in here. And you want to be trading at these low momentum areas where they have the massive drop, because after that, you see where all that green is where all of this comes back. If we were to come and look at this zone, you want to be trading in the volume area here, so you can be holding these profit areas and be selling at these areas, as you can see over here. Time and time again, it shows us you want to be getting in this zone, and you want to be taking profits out of this zone, right? Very, very powerful tool to be looking at. How we trade this is with this falling wedge, you'll be taking this right here. The computer is a bit laggy, so excuse the skew lines, but you want to be taking the top of the pendant and get the pole. This would be the bottom of the pole. This will give you the indication of the top, right? As you can see, you take your resistance box, and on both sides, that is a good place to take profits. So this would be the take profits area. Time and time again, it shows that. And you want to be making sure that once you've taken the profits, how you make this trade is you go put your trade in, and you want to take a stop loss underneath this resistance, underneath the support, excuse me, and you want to ride it up to that resistance. That is a 4.3% ratio. If you were to hit every single trade, you would have made 4, 3, and 4.3 over here on a trade that played out in 20 days. 20 days, and you can expect multiple of these moves from the 20 days because of the distance over here. Should be around 23 days, and that's how you play out this awesome Fantom chart with two basic indicators: the cup and handle and the falling wedge, or the descending pattern wedge, or falling pendant, whatever the name it is. If you guys like this type of videos, you guys want more of this type of content, please like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll make sure to be posting more often on the shorter time frame, so it can help everyone with swing trading. And then I'll also be releasing some live trading that we will be putting in zones like these.